I've been working with Messy Church for 5 years now. We started off very small as a small group of mums and a few friends, and over the last 5 years it has grown to a considerable size.
Estelle is a member of the Stanborough Park Seventh-day Adventist Church in England. She plays a key role in running a special program here. This church has adopted a program known as Messy Church. Messy Church was started by the Anglican Church and then was adapted to fit the needs of this Seventh-day Adventist congregation. Messy Church is meant to reach out to the community in a fun, interactive way. Church members are encouraged to invite neighbors and friends who may not normally attend church otherwise. The programs are designed for children. They do crafts, sing songs, and find creative ways to teach the lessons from the Bible. Each child is required to bring at least one adult along, and the adults seem to have just as much fun as the kids.
The reactions that some people give, some people are quite overwhelmed with how many we have come. We have between 200 and 250 that attend on a regular basis now each month. And so when they sign up to come throughout the month, they think that maybe it's just a group of 20 or 30 children and parents. And when they realise that the whole church has been taken over with each room, it can be a little bit overwhelming with the noise and lots of children running around. But they get excited, and the kids get so thrilled and excited to meet up with friends and to take part in the activities together.
The activities are focused around Jesus. Kids and adults alike learn some of the valuable lessons from the Bible. Messy Church meets only once a month, and the people who attend often come back each month, bringing friends along with them the next time. Although it only meets once a month, dozens of church members are always busy planning and preparing for the next meeting. There are so many different ways the members can get involved.
I am involved in a lot of music in the church, so when I got the opportunity to sing with the praise team, I was like, yeah, sure, I'd be happy to. And I love working with kids, and I love being part of entertainment, so that's been something I've been doing for the past year, and I've really enjoyed it.
Here at Messy Church, there's even a special meal planned for the visitors to end the program. They spend hours preparing this meal for the crowd of visitors. The church members work with open and willing hearts.
Say my favourite part of Messy Church is actually the organising. It does take time, but it's really exciting to put the menus together, to try and find exciting ways that we can link the theme for the month through the food that we provide for those who come to visit.
Members like Michael find themselves getting involved every time because they love and believe in this fun form of outreach.
For me personally, even though at the end of the day I'm quite exhausted, I quite enjoy it. I look forward to the next Messy Church, the opportunity to socialise and to see the people I've met in the past, but not only that, to see the smiles on the children, to see the smiles on the actual families, and who come back and say hello to you. I think there seems to be something positive that the church is doing via Messy Church.
Please pray for Messy Church, that it may continue to impact the people who come and the church members who are involved. Please pray that people will come to know Jesus through this program. Thank you for your support of the mission of the Seventh-day Adventist Church.